Hey YouTube, this is Todd at Champaign Ford City. Got another one of our FCP F150s completed. This one is sold already, but wanted to do a brief video of it anyway. It's gonna keep that on hand for the next owner here. So this is a 4-wheel drive, 5-liter V8, 10-speed auto, 373 gears. It's a 2024 obviously. And we have color matched the bumpers. The grille has been painted gloss black. Got a short antenna. And per the customer's request, we've got a set of 22-inch Nitto Vice wheels. And this one's got a little darker tint than we normally do too. Customer happened to call us right as we were starting on this truck, looking for a white truck, Pacific wheel he was looking for. We happen to have everything in stock for it. So the stars kind of aligned, and we were able to get the tint done the way he wanted since we hadn't sent it to the tint shop yet. Got the dual black tip MBRP catback exhaust. And I always forget in a lot of my videos to tell people some of the other things we do. We replace, there's usually a deflector here, looks kind of like a mud flap. This exhaust can kind of overheat that. Plus it just looks silly. We go ahead and remove it and replace it with the factory. These are available on different model trucks, so we just swap those out. The other thing inside the wheel well is we put the Ford accessory wheel well liner. Especially on a light colored truck, you'd be able to see the bedside in here. You'd see all the white paint in the frame. That just kind of cleans it up, gives it a nice look. And those are on all of our trucks. And we've got the Ford accessory tailgate spoiler as well. Color matched rear bumper. Door handles are also painted, and the fender vents. So these are removed, completely disassembled, and we paint the outer shell. We color match it. We leave the interior the black textured finish that comes from the factory. It looks more like almost like a shark gill here, and then we've got our custom FCP badges in there. Short antenna as well. That's a brief overview of that one. This one's heading up to Detroit. Customer will be here tomorrow morning to pick it up. And I'll have another video here shortly. I've got a silver 2-wheel drive that's going to be available here shortly. So stay tuned for that video coming soon. Appreciate everybody watching. Have a great day.